We do that on social media. It's a very false, I try to do it as best I can, but I can't post most of it because it's got to be mine. I mean, when I'm like catatonic, barely above catatonic on a couch, I'm not filming that and sharing it with you guys. That's for me. But I can share the story afterwards. But we're not doing that. We're having highlight reels all over the place. Even families are having highlight reels or non-tox living and all this. Like, show that girl's toilet. Show her. Show the conversations you have. Show her feelings and thoughts in her head when she's trying to rest and can't. Show the side hustle that she's doing around healing. Again, there's more there that's going on that they're not wrong and they're not bad people, but we have this external measure that we're trying to do. And don't we do that with labs? Don't they do that with biomarkers? Don't we do that with all sort of medicine where we're holding ourselves to a standard? How is the DSM, the Diagnostic Statistical Manual for Mental Disorders, how is it growing every year? There's thousands on thousands of pathological coded diagnoses for feelings, thoughts, and emotions. How is it getting bigger and bigger? Because the body is changing and responding in these infinite ways, and they're pathologizing all of them. And we're all trying to go. The whole book is to try to get everybody to feel, think, and experience the same. They're doing it in pro sports. They want everything to be the same in baseball. Home runs or strikeouts. Throw hard, this. It's the most boring thing you'll ever see. They're trying to get everybody to tackle the same way. They're trying to get everybody to throw the same way. They're trying to get everyone to look the same way, to have the same body fat. They're trying to get everyone to have the same hormones. They're trying to get everyone to have the same test scores. They're trying to have everybody have the same milestones, have the same jobs, have the same. There's no deviation in the human capacity, and then the human spirit sitting there like, fuck you, and responding perfectly to that attempt in a way of I would think I was a part of an alien civilization, or not aliens because they would be either zombies if when I did my stuff at my speech, my talk, if everybody responded the same. I'd be like, what the fuck is going on? Right? I would think there's a problem. There's a pathology with that. Not really. But that would mean they're not human. That would mean there's something here that's not. I'd check belly buttons and nipples in a non-X-rated way. Like I'd want to know, are you guys human beings? Because you should all have had total different responses to that. If we weren't responding differently, I would go into something's shifting. Something's not. Are you AI? Are you a robot? There's something's not human. Diets. Lives. We're trying to copy and paste someone's life, copy and paste someone's supplement protocol, try and copy and paste someone's, how do you handle a funeral? How'd you handle your breakup? How'd you handle, what did you do? I have a video on that I made yesterday after I ate donuts. It came to me. And excuse me, if anybody, one of my friends has a injury or a healing response and they share it with me, my first question is, what'd you change? Oh, wow. What'd you learn about yourself? Like that's my follow-up questions. And so again, we don't do that in a society today. If we have somebody who has a symptom of healing, we go, oh, what'd you do? Like, and they had it and they changed it and it's no longer there. What'd you do? What'd you take? Who'd you see? What was it called? How'd you get that? Like and if you literally get those, how'd you get that? Well, I was born to my mom and dad. We lived in California first. I mean, you would have to go through the entire history of your entire life. That doesn't make any sense. So then I want to know, because if I ever have a symptom or an injury, it's that. When I have that, it's like what I learned and what I changed about myself that my body no longer has to use it. I wasn't doing it to solve the problem. What I would impose is the problem. The symptom of healing is not the problem. It's what got my attention. Oh, Jesus, you want me to go that way? Yeah, sure.